Next function is code. Code returns a numeric code for the first character in a text string. So remember char converts the numeric code into character. This does opposite of it. So here the code refers to C4 where name is written. So it will return numeric value of the first character, which is n. So this is 78. What if I give text directly here? So, okay, there is a mistake. So it is the 72 represents only age. It's not hello complete, but only age. So if I remove this rest of the characters and age is there, then still we get the answer 72. So it is the left characters in the reference, which is converted into numeric value.